Good Friday, folks. It's TGIF, and we're almost into the weekend, and we're tracking some showers as well as some mild conditions, and then unfortunately another cold push of air into much of central Maryland with a frosty start by the beginning of next week. Temperatures right now upper 50s, lower 60s. Can't complain here. Southwesterly breeze at 5 to 10 out ahead of this frontal boundary. That's going to bring in some showers during the overnight hours. Not looking at too much in the way of rain, and really not too much of a difference in temperature on either side of the front. It's not until about Sunday when those winds change out of the northwest, dragging in all of that colder air. So here come the showers overnight tonight while we're sleeping, and then we wake up tomorrow morning to some clouds and maybe one or two leftover showers, but temperatures will rebound near 70 in the afternoon. We'll still be in the 50s during the evening hours, but the winds will change to the northwest, cranking up, creating snow on the other side of the mountains, dragging in the colder air here, maybe even a snowflake or two up across portions of Frederick County. Otherwise, we're dry and very cold for the Ravens game. Temperatures will struggle to make 50 degrees. And speaking of those winds, gusting upwards of 15 to as much as 30 miles per hour come early Sunday morning, and then quickly subsiding as we get towards the latter half of the Ravens game and early Monday morning as we get high pressure back in control. Tonight's forecast, 50s, showers after midnight, not as cold, a shower tomorrow morning, but gradual clearing and breezy conditions at times as temperatures make their way into the 60s. Ravens forecast looks chilly. Temperatures will be around 50 for the start of the game, but in the 40s by the fourth quarter, and in the mountains could see some snow accumulating on the grassy surfaces as we get towards Sunday with high temperatures in the upper 30s. Lower 50s on Sunday, back into the upper 50s on Monday, 60s on Tuesday, then another round of those 50-degree temperatures Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with overnight lows in the upper 30s and lower 40s. We'll have an update on your forecast tonight at 5 and 6. We hope to see you there. Otherwise, make it a great weekend ahead.